What's up guys, it's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this compressor air vacuum. So again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go guys. So again, I have here a air compressor. I just ordered this one in Amazon and we'll see what's in a box. There you go. It's too sharp. There you go. Ta-da! Whoa. Ear duster. There you go. So again, I don't like their packaging, but whatever. We'll see. We'll see what's in here. So guys, it's a multi-use bulb light in, powerful and effective, simple operation, satisfaction guaranteed. Oh, we'll see. Satisfaction guaranteed. We'll see. We will see. There you go. Air duster. So, but again guys, what's in the box? It's air duster, 5 nozzle, 1 use manual, USB-C charging cable, and 3 brushes. And again, instructions: turn off the switch, turn on the switch, anti-mist touch cover. So again, let's see how many are they. One. Oh, they have that pouch where you're gonna put your thing. There you go. So they have brush. There you go. So this is the USB-C. Another one, nozzle. Hopefully they have a charger for this, or they have a charge on this so we can try and use it. Okay, so, and again, they have this user's manual, and then there you go. So they have lots of attachment here. We'll do that one later. So there you go. Ta-da! Wow, it's like a blower kind of. It's very small, very tiny little one. And on and off, they have that. They have this. There you go. So again, it's very light actually. Wow. So you have to press 3 times here where the on and off, and then you have the light. You can see there's a light, and you can turn off, on. There you go. We gotta try that one. Huh. So there's 2 buttons that you can press here. There's like a power one, and then it's really good actually. It's like it's a hair dryer. It's like a hair dryer. But again, we're gonna try this one, and the purpose for this one here is that you can use it for your computers, keyboard, and any other places that you want to. That's why I was thinking to buy this one. So hopefully the charging here, or the battery will last a little bit longer, because you just need blowers like this, to clean your computers or any small thing. So yeah, they have booster. So inside the car, you can use this one in the car, sofa, air condition, computers, keyboard, window. So lots of purpose on this one actually. So and again, impression, $33, not bad for this. And again, you have lots of tools that you can attach for this. You can replace this one, use a different one. You have that one. You can use on, they have lots of attachment actually, so you can use this. Yeah, so I think and then if you want, you can use this for your computers, windows, and everything. So do the dusting for that. I'll try this one. But again, I just got this one from Amazon. This is about $33 when I bought it. I think it was on sale, but they have $5 off. Why not, right? So if you want, you can buy this one. Air duster, newly ergonomic design. There you go. So anyway, so my impression for $33, I think that's good already. And for your personal cleaning stuff that you can clean or dust, whatever. So it's really good. And it comes with a cable. Other thing, their cable is really good because a bit longer. Let's see. Yeah. Wow. It's a bit longer. Like over half meters. No. Maybe about a meter, I think, long. So, but it's good already. So, and again, guys, if you want, I have lots of videos here in my channel. If you are not yet subscribing, I hope you subscribe, and you can also share my videos or share my videos to your social media. So I have lots of videos here. So hopefully you watch and enjoy. And again, I just got this one from Amazon. I hope, so far, really good material. It's all plastic, but what can you do? That's the trend now, all plastic. So, but again, thank you again for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.